So this is gonna be one of those deals where I buy a car, try to fix it, try to sell it, and try to make money out of it. So I went to deliver a dumpster yesterday, and the people I was delivering the dumpster to, they were actually planning on selling a car. And you guys can't believe how much I'm going to be paying for this car. $250. You guys are curious how the car looks like? It's gonna be here in a few minutes, so don't go anywhere yet. If you are looking for a truck, make sure it has this symbol. All right, if we start with an F, get the hell out of there. It's not like I don't like Ford. It's not like I don't like the Ram pickup truck. Just a really nice pickup truck. Neither is it like I don't like a Toyota truck or a Cybertruck, but I just prefer a Chevy. My first pickup truck was a Ford F-150. That thing died in Topeka, Kansas, and then after that I was done with that truck. So now I have a Chevy, but it's a one-time, spend a fortune on it. And then this side, you see, easy work, right? Just like that. Hey guys, so now I'm completely disattached from the trailer, and that's on my truck for the first time without trailer that I post on this side, guys. So we're gonna go and pick up that car. I drove this car home about 20 miles from where I picked it up today. What do you guys think about this car? The first thing I saw was this rotten area down here. See that? That's rotten. Like literally. But let's look at the rest of the car, guys, and see what you guys tell me what you guys think. Will you have paid $250 for this car? The tires looks like they're dry rotted, so they definitely will need new tires. Believe me not, the brakes were really nice. The brakes worked really well when I was coming by, but I'm sure they definitely will need the brake pads changed. Let's look at this. I don't know whether these lights work, but usually those are not a problem to fix. Pretty easy setup. This is gonna be a Chevy Monte Carlo, that's what they call it, and she runs like crazy. So the seller told me that there was a few issues with it. I haven't seen anything yet that I need to address, but I know for sure the exhaust is also kind of messed up because it was really loud. So let's take a look inside and see how their car actually looks like before we do anything else, guys. So that's how the inside of this car looks like. This is really dirty, to be honest. It doesn't even have like floor mats over here. Lots and lots and lots of cleaning needing in this car. It had 180 something miles on it, 182 miles on it, give or take. But let's look at that. Man, I haven't seen these controls for a long time now. It even has a 4-wheel drive, 3-wheel reverse. I mean, look at that. Is it that crazy? And the trash which came with it. Let's see in here. I also got a bottle of water for free. Man, you cannot believe this. This car was a half tank full. This was disattached. I don't even know. I think this is a mirror. It was disattached. It's supposed to go up here, but it's disattached. So I need to figure out how to put this up. And let's take a look at the back seat. This is a two-door car. I've never owned a two-door car, but how does this thing work? I think you do this and push it. Damn. So those guys with two-door cars, this is crazy. It has a button here that you pull up and then you push the chair that way, and then somebody can actually get to the back seat. So look at that. I think you can fit 3 people back here, won't you? The floor looks really nice actually. I mean, what do you expect? The roof looks good. I don't know why this light is still on. How do you turn it off? I don't know. Maybe it has to do with something here. Is that how you turn that light off? I have no idea. I've never actually had a car which has... I've never owned a car like this before. Anyway guys, let's look at the trunk of this car, and then after that we're gonna take a look at the engine compartment of the car. You open it with that key. Come on now. Yeah, I like this touch right here, the spoiler. Ooh, there's the floor mats I was looking for. Well, look at that guys, it even comes with a jump start cable. I mean, you know, how can you go wrong on that? So it comes with the floor mats. I thought I didn't have the floor mats. I don't even know whether there's a spare tire there, but we are not gonna go into details on that. But I mean, what do you guys think? Who do you think is gonna buy a car like this from me? I have no idea. I mean, if I don't sell it by the end of the month, I'm gonna pull a Mr. Beast and donate it. Okay, let's look at the engine compartment right here, really quick. Oh no, I have to reach in there just to get to the engine compartment. Come on now. Voila, look at that. I'm not a very good guy when it comes to engines and stuff, but this looks like a little old engine, very old, but the alternator looks new, so it must have been changed at some point. But this engine needs a lot of cleaning. Look at that. You can literally access the oil filter from right there. That's pretty cool. But open that and the oil is gonna spill onto that frame right there. How is that even possible? Why do they put an oil filter there? That's crazy. Damn, let's look at the oil. Voila. She's not looking good. That oil needs to be changed. Definitely needs to be changed. I think it's a pretty standard car, 3400 SFI. Who knows what that stands for? I'm not a mechanic, so I want to know what that stands for. I just know whether the car is running or no. That's all I asked. All right, let's look underneath the engine, see if there's anything leaking there. The belts looks really nice. So we're gonna take a pressure washer and pressure wash this entire car, and then we're gonna go ahead and check out what needs to be fixed on this car. So let's see if there's any leakage from the engine oil or anything. Looks like there's an old leak right there, but it looks like it's just wet from the oil, and we're gonna take a good look at that. I'm 100% sure this frame was built by somebody else. Does this look standard to you guys? Do you think this frame was actually came with the car originally? For those guys who are mechanics, let me know if this frame looks normal. I've never seen a mount car before, so tell me guys, leave a comment below. Is there anything I missed in this car that you can tell me? Because I'm gonna post this video before I fix or do any repairs on this car. And if you guys have any ideas of what I can do with this car, let me know down below in the comments. And guys, tell me,